In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call Google One. We will walk through the support page together so you can get an actual person on the phone when you need help with your account or storage plan. First, open your browser and search Google One. Type Google One into the search bar, then press Enter. On the results page, you should see a result that clearly says Google One from Google, usually near the top. The link often shows a short description about storage, backups, and support. If you see ads at the very top, look just below those for the main Google One site so you do not end up on a random third-party page. Once the results are visible, click the correct Google One link and then click Sign In the top right corner. After you click Sign In, a Google Sign-In page appears with an email or phone field. Use the Google account that actually has the Google One subscription because support options depend on that. When you finish signing in, the Google One homepage loads and you will see tiles for storage, backups, and account settings. In the top right corner, the Sign In button is gone and you should see your account avatar instead. With the homepage open and your account signed in, click on Help located at the top right of the page. The Help label usually appears as a small word link or an icon near your profile picture. When you click it, a Help panel or page opens. You will see common help topics about storage, sharing, and payments, along with a search field. This area is where Google collects all support resources for Google One, so finding the help link is the key step to reaching live support from inside your account. From there, scroll down the Help area and look for the Need More Help card at the bottom. Click the Contact Us action link inside that card. The Need More Help section usually stands out with a separate box or lighter background compared to the articles above. Contact Us is often a blue or colored text link. When you click Contact Us, the page changes to a guided form. You might see Google ask a short question to route you, which only affects who you speak with, not whether you can call. Now, describe your technical or billing issue in the text box. Be specific. Mention whether it is about storage, payment, or account access, since that helps support reach the right tools quickly. Next, select the phone call option from the list of communication methods. If chat or email options also appear, ignore those for now and choose phone call. After that, provide your phone details and wait for the system to ring you. Usually you enter your country, your phone number, and sometimes your name, then confirm. The page often shows an estimated wait time, and the call typically arrives within a few minutes as an incoming call labeled from Google. You have now reached the point where Google One support calls you directly to help with your issue, so if this walkthrough helped you get that phone support, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you want more quick guides like this, feel free to subscribe.